Hello guys, here's Jamie. Last time we talked about the Lightweight Plus feature of the BLOXsport Lightweight Plus wheel spacer, and today we will talk about the knurling design and disassembly slope and how to install it on the car. The surface of the wheel spacer adopts the knurling design, which can effectively increase the contact area with air and increase cooling effect. The back of the wheel spacer designed with 5 special disassembly groups, with the size of a flat blade stroke driver as the design standard. It is easy to install and remove. I'll show how to install the BLOXsport Lightweight Plus wheel spacer on the Audi Q7 and the precaution. Need to prepare is a towel, a torque wrench, a bottle of rose remover, a piece of abrasive paper, a flat blade screwdriver, and BLOXsport 12.9 grade extended bolt, and of course the wheel spacers. Remember to remove the diagonally. After remove, and we can use the jet to lift up the car and use the tripod to ensure the safety. After removing the nuts and the wheel hump, we use rose remover and abrasive paper to rose removal. Sport Lightweight Plus wheel spacer has a hub centric and workmanship accuracy with 0.02 mm. The hub centric design solves the problem of vehicle vibration at high speed after the installation of general wheel spacers. And now we install the BLOXsport Lightweight Plus wheel spacer on the car. There's no gap. Install the wheel hump and BLOXsport Grade 12.9 extended bolts. That is for today, and next time we will introduce the BLOXsport 12.9 wheel extending bolts. Here's Jimmy, welcome to subscribe my channel. See you next time.